Hi, I'm Carol Bell with Strategic Solutions TV. Welcome to our program today. I have a very special guest, Dr. Sterling Shaw from MST Dental in Birmingham, Alabama. We're going to be discussing a very important topic that a lot of people have been asking us about, and that is, how do you find a great cosmetic dentist in Birmingham, Alabama? Dr. Shaw, welcome to our program today. How are you?
I'm fine, Carol. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. It's a real privilege to have you here. So we know that a lot of people in Birmingham go online every month looking for a cosmetic dentist. And when they do, they're faced with a lot of different choices. So what advice would you give us today as to what kinds of things people should look for when they're looking for a new cosmetic dentist, normally starting with their search online?
Well, if they can get word of mouth, if you can really speak to someone face to face, that's probably our best source of referrals. But really, you have to find out about the dentist's experience and the expertise. I mean, we call it dental practice because we're learning every day, and even though education is a good learning tool, I think hands-on dentistry is really when we learn how to do things properly. Over the years, you have to have enough experience to have probably done things that didn't work out. And so you learn and you learn and you just get that expertise. So experience and expertise is very important, I think. And that you usually can find online is how long the dentist has been in practice, maybe how many cases he's done, possibly what kind of continuing education he has. So that's very important. Another thing I would say is visit the office. Go look at their facility. Do they have the updated technology? Does the staff seem proud and active in treatment? I think that's very important. And you can tell by the technology sometimes. If the technology in the office is up to date, then the dentist will usually use the more up-to-date laboratories that really fabricate the cosmetic work and things of that nature. So I think just a visit is always important, and it never hurts to get a second opinion. I would encourage a new patient that maybe has not known me to come in, and if I give them a treatment plan, and even if we give them fees and a quote on a total case, if they would like to go have another dentist take a look, I always agree with that.
That's great advice. So when they do go online and look, a lot of times they will take a look at the website, and I agree, I think that they should. Do you think that they should also check out a dentist's reputation as well while they're looking?
Definitely. I think, when I said experience and expertise, I think that goes along with reputation.
That's part of it.
Yeah,
okay.
It really is.
So for someone who's coming to MST Dental, what kind of experience can they expect to have with you? What do you think makes your practice unique and different from the other cosmetic dentists in the Birmingham area?
That's a really good question, because a lot of times people don't realize there may be more differences in dental offices than there are similarities. But I think our practice, one of the main things is we have a lot of experience. We have 3 doctors, and we have over 80 years of experience together, and therefore we can get consults on the spot. We can get second and third opinions on the spot, and so we do have the experience that's there, that we've done a lot of different kinds of dentistry. If it's been done in dentistry, we've seen it pretty much over the years we've been in practice. But mainly, you can a lot of times need different treatment modalities in dentistry to do a cosmetic case especially correctly. I mean, we do family dentistry and we do see children, but sometimes in a cosmetic case you may need some orthodontic treatment prior to the porcelain work, the bridge work, the veneers, whatever you may get. Well, we do that. I personally do all the orthodontics in the office, and then we do the cosmetic dentistry as well. My partners, if we run into an issue with one of the teeth, having to have treatment, special nerve treatment, endodontics, so to speak. We do that in the office. And again, we just try to provide our patients with full treatment care. About the only thing we refer out is surgical procedures that need sedation.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're really an all-inclusive type of practice. And so the children can start from the time they start going to a dentist and stay with you all the way up through their orthodontics and into adulthood.
That's correct, and that's so important. I'll get other dentists and they say, he said to go look at the orthodontic, go look at when he needs braces. Well, I just monitor that, every 6 months as they come in for the cleanings. And in orthodontic, sometimes you can start early treatment, and that head off a lot of the later treatment, save time, save money, and things like that. So yes, we try to take it from a 3-year-old all the way up till they're in their 80s and 90s.
Right, and the other advantage to that is that they stay for all of those different types of treatments that they may need with you all where they're comfortable and they know you.
That's exactly right. I mean, that is so important in patients' rapport with not only the dentist but the hygienist.
Oh yeah.
The one that cleans their teeth every 6 months. I mean, sometimes they have a better relationship with the patient. If the patient has not needed much dental work, right, I just see them and check their teeth and say, glad to have you.
That sounds great. So what kind of special offer? Do you have a special offer that you give new patients or that you can offer our viewers today?
Oh, yes, we do. We have a special web page that has special offers on it periodically that we change from month to month or quarter to quarter, just depending upon what that offer may be. We do have a new patient offer that we give them $100 off of any additional work after their initial visit and cleaning and things of that sort. But that's pretty standard for a new patient. But we do have other offers that we have in our cosmetic practice. We do the invisible removable braces that a lot of adults really like because they don't want to wear the brackets. And we have a special offer of full treatment on that is $4,900. And I think if you search the web, that's a good fee. Also, we do the veneers. I do what we call lumineers, and it's where you don't cut on the tooth. You don't have to drill the tooth down. You don't have to give any shots, and you can just have a whiter smile with just gluing veneers on top of your teeth, and they really look nice. I have them on my wife. I have them on my daughter. I have them on myself. So it's something that I believe in. And we offer 6 of those veneers, which are normally about $900 to $1,000 a piece. We offer 6 of those for $4,900 also.
Wow, that's great. So all of those different offers are all on your website?
They should be. We are in the process of updating them because it's just changed over from into March, and we're going to update that.
Okay. So that the special offers are on the website at mstdental.com/special-offers. So Dr. Shaw, what's the best way for people to contact you? If they wanted to call and make an appointment, or if they have a question, how can they reach you?
Well, they can reach us through our website at mstdental.com or at trustfuldentist.com. Our phone number is 205-769-6238. So we'd be glad to make an appointment then, and they can even, I believe, make an appointment on the website if they need to, or have the office call them back.
Okay, that's great. So they're a great dental office to go and visit. You can go and have a consult if you want to ask them questions. Check the website for all the current great offers that they give, and go to MST Dental. They can provide whatever dental specialty that you happen to be looking for that you need. Dr. Shaw, thank you so much for being with us today and giving us this great information. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for the opportunity, Carol.
All right, have a great day, everyone. We'll see you next time.